Hey buddies, today we're doing a one-eyed Yeti. I hope you're excited. Let's get started. Grab something to draw with and a piece of paper you draw on. And here is the first step. So, one eye, buddies, we're gonna go top line right here. Swoop. For the top of our one-eyed Yeti, you ready? Simple curved line. Like an upside down C. That simple. All right, buddies. This one, we're gonna do these funky horns on like the inside. So let's get those going. We're gonna just do another curved line here. Whoop. And another curved line here. Whoop. Super easy. All right, buddies. So we're gonna do this like little eyeball right here. Wee, like he's bored looking at you. Blah, blah, blah. All right. For this horn, let's go like a curved hook horn. Like that, up. See that, buddies? Same thing on the other side. Ready? Bring it down. Wee, pew. This one, we're gonna do the same horn, but we're gonna do a broken one. Ready? So curve up and stop. Up and stop. Then we do like two jagged lines. 1, 2, 1, 2. Like it cracked. Isn't that cool? I saw that online. I liked it. All right, buddies. Let's do a puffy guy. So we've been doing like the spikes, but you need some different Yetis. So let's do like a funny bumpy Yeti. So let's do like a curve and a smaller curve. And then let's just take it on over, buddies. So kind of lay the curve down like that. Lay the curve down like that. And then just go lines into their horns. It's looking funny already, buddies. All right, let's take that. Now again, we're gonna go down this way and down that way, how we do all of our Yetis. But we need to do our bumpy lines to give them that fluffy look, right? So our bumpies are gonna be going down. So really easy, you ready, buddies? Go to about the bottom of the horn, just outside of it, and do a bump. And then kind of curve up. I'm gonna bump, kind of curve up. 2 big ones, and we'll match it on this side, ready? Just outside the horn, buddies, and a bump. And a bump. It's looking so good. All right, now we're just gonna give him one more bump. One more bump. And then we'll just kind of, I haven't even thought of like where we're going with this yet for the bottom. We'll just do like bumps along the bottom. Bump, bump, and match that bump. Just like that. That looks so good, buddies. All right, let's do our super simple, I got a grumpy eye, so let's do the grumpy mouth right here that I like doing. It's just a upside down U shape, like a noodle, if you will. So we wanna do a little smaller than the eye. Let's go up and down, curve, curve, and then match it. Ah, oh, that's so funny. Let's do our 3 teeth. 1, 2, and 3. That's looking good, buddies. All right, we're almost done. So let's give some details. Let's give a little line for his horns right here. Kind of bring that to life. Looks good. Let's give a little lines under his grumpy mouth. That looks good. Now, what details can we do on the horns? Let's do some, we haven't done any stripes, and I love stripes on the horns. So let's do 1 stripe there, and then like it would be going up, but it's broken, so let's do that. And then same thing over here, 1 stripe here, and then the second one there. That's gonna look cool when we color it. All right. For arms and feet, what do you want to do? Let's just do like a silly Let's just do a line, a bump out like that. Make it simple on us. Like he's got a little hand there. Too easy. And then over here, we'll just go like a little bump forward so it looks like he's raising like a hand right here. And then two little ones, boop, boop. And then we'll just bring that back. That works. Furry bumpy hands. And then I usually do my elephant feet, but those, we can do that again, but we'll do like bumpy version. So we'll go here, we'll go out, and then we'll curve. Well, it's kind of already a curved bumpy version, so we really can just do the same one. So same thing. Curve, and then up. That looks perfect. All right, and then since everything's round, we'll do round toenails. Round, a little smaller, a little smaller. Round, a little smaller, a little smaller. And that's it, Breddies. Super simple, super fun. One-eyed Yeti. Let's color together. So, what colors should we do? We did a white one. We've done an orange one. I like teal. That's my all-time favorite color. Let's do like a teal and beige Yeti. Those colors look good together. So, go to your colors, Breddies. I'm gonna do something like this and this. Teal and beige. But I wanna make sure it looks good. So I get out my scrappy piece of paper over here and I try them out together. You do this as well because you don't want, see that one's too dark. So I need to go back and look for a similar, but a lighter. So let's try this one. It's brighter and lighter, so I do like this one better. I wish I even had a lighter one, but this is gonna have to work for now. So going for that one, and then I need to try out my beige. Ooh, that's pretty good, right? I also want lighter. Let's see. No, this might have to do. The other ones are like almost white. Let's try this one. This might be too light. It's too light. I'll stick to the first one. Oh no, it's actually pretty good. It looked like it was gonna be like pink, but I'm gonna go with this one. All right, Breddies, let's do it. Grab your colors. I'm gonna do accents. I'm gonna do the body this color, and then my horn this color. But what do I like to do, Breddies? I like to get lighter and darker versions. So I already know my darker version. So I'll do my horns, these two. And then I got my darker one here. Ooh, look how close that is. That's why you gotta be careful. So we'll do my darkest color first. Those are kind of obvious to get my shadowing ready to go. All right, oops, I like to shadow with my skinny side. So let's do that, Breddies. So simple. I always tell you guys, you can get crazy and try to do the perfect lighting and shadowing, but we're just having fun. We just want to give a nice little accent color to make the colors pop. So this is all I do almost every time, and it really looks good. I know you art majors out there will be like, oh, well, the lighting's not perfect. Well, guess what? We have pre-K and kinder artists who usually follow me here. So we're just having fun, right? And practicing. And you kind of get used to it. And when you color along with me, and you follow my tutorial, I show you every step. So that's what we're doing, Breddies. We're just kind of mirroring these sidelines to bring a little darkness to the side, like the light is hitting the monster from the front, which makes the colors get darker in the back. And it looks so good. It just brings some perception and some brightness and some color variation to our drawings. And it's really just fun. Sometimes your drawing's like, oh, it's not that great. And then you add some color and you're like blown away, like, whoa. Now it looks good. And as always, Reddies, it's what? Relaxing. Relaxing and satisfying to just draw, draw, draw. All right, Reddies, add some to the hand here. And then we can add some here to our little hand and fingers. Super easy. All right, so I have my dark green done, so I'll put that away, or teal, and now I'm gonna do my lighter color. Again, Reddies. Ooh, see how I kind of overlap there? That's what you don't want to do. Sometimes it's not that noticeable, but sometimes it could kind of give you some shadowing you didn't really want. So again, we're just having fun, but with these alcohol-based markers, just want to do your best to stay right next to them. If you have to, you can pull out this guy on the other side, but we're just having fun. So I like to outline first, like this. Make it look nice and organized. And then I don't have to worry about how close I'm getting now when I'm ready to just color. I can just color it in. It looks so good, Reddies. What do you think? I really like this color. It's one of my favorite colors. Comment below, Reddies, what you want me to draw. I will love to draw whatever you want. It's always fun to hear what you guys are into. If it was up to Weston, I'd be drawing Pokemon every day. If it was up to Will, I'd be drawing Minecraft every day. If it was up to Jane, I'd be drawing Descendants every single day. That's what's fun. Just being able to draw your own stuff. I love doing these cartoon monsters. I don't know why, they're just always fun and relaxing and easy for me. And I know you guys like them too. I'm always up for a challenge. It's looking so good, Reddies. How's your coloring coming? Good? Can't lean too far forward or you won't be able to see. Guys are wondering at home, these are Beyond markers. Not a sales pitch, I actually like them. Been using them for a few years. Made coloring so fun. Kind of brought it back to life for me. Now that my kids are old enough to use them too, it's really fun to color with them. All right, Reddies. Let me know in the comments if you did a different color so I can come check yours out. Post it on your IG and make a video on your YouTube so I can come check out your colors. Or if you like the teal so much, you did the teal. All right. Now let's get our beige variation. Oops, I want the thicker side. I'm gonna do the middle one, the dark. And then the other parts, the light. I think that'll look really good. What do you think, Breddies? Cool. Now my light, check this out. Looks so good. Nice. So good. For the eyes, let's do the darker beige for the eye to bring it in together. Nice. And then we just need our black for inside of our mouth. It's kind of close in there, so I use the skinny side. Same with the bottom. Flip it around to my dark, thicker side. All right, Breddies, I think the last step, we will do the toenails and the teeth, this light color to bring it all together, and then we are done. So cool. That is it, Breddies. You completed this video. I hope you had fun. We'll do another one tomorrow. See you later, Breddies. Bye.